Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect Tradovate to Topstep. First, open Tradovate. You can do this by going to the Tradovate web URL in your browser. Next, enter your credentials. Use the username and password provided in your Topstep account credentials email. This is important because using the wrong credentials will prevent you from accessing your account. Take your time to enter them carefully. After entering your credentials, you need to select your trading mode. If you are using a trading combine or an express-funded account, you must select the green button labeled Simulation. Choosing the wrong mode will cause an account not specified error, which will stop you from accessing your account. Make sure you select the correct option the first time. Once you are logged in for the first time, Tradovate will prompt you to sign the CME Market Data Agreement. This is required to access live market data. Most traders should select non-professional unless your situation is different. Signing this agreement ensures that you have the correct permissions to trade without interruptions. After completing these steps, your Tradovate account will be connected to Topstep, and you can begin trading in the simulated environment. Thanks for watching.